Okay, so we said the odds of winning the grand prize are 1 in 292 million, 201,338.
Yep.
Right, or the probability of winning it. So, what's the probability that many people play and no one wins? Because we don't know how many people played last night, but I'm just going to assume the number of people played just for fun. I'm going to assume the number of numbers that got picked is equal to the odds.
Well, you said some people can get the same numbers.
Yeah, some people might get the same numbers. That's why it's possible that nobody wins. If you think about it, if I was just picking two numbers, 0 or 1, and two people played, how could no one win? What would happen?
Well, if each of them got 0, 0, and the right one was 0, 1.
Well, yeah, sorry. It's actually only one number gets picked. It's either going to be 0 or 1.
Oh, so if they both get 0 and the right number is 1.
Yeah, so that's why, even though the odds are 1 in 292 million, if 292 million people play, there still might be no one winning.
Yeah.
Right? So we got to figure out what's the probability of that happening. Did no one winning last night, was that a miracle, or was that something that maybe happens every now and then? So what has to happen for no one to win?
Well, no one can get all 6 balls.
Yeah.
So
Wait, but if no one wins, but if they get one of the smaller prizes, does that count as winning?
No, we're only talking about the jackpot.
So you could cycle this maybe in groups of 6, based on there'd be 6 groups based on which ball they miss. So we say everyone got 5 out of the 6 balls, and then which one did they miss?
Yeah, but that's not what happened. So some people would have got none, some people would have got 1, some people would have got 2, and we don't know. All we know is that they didn't win the grand prize. We don't know how they didn't manage to win it. Because you're right, some people could have got close, and some people could have got no balls at all, right? So let's think about it just in terms of one person. What's the chances of one person not winning?
Well,
It would be 292,201,337 in this, because there's only one way it could have worked out, and they didn't get that.
Okay, so what's the probability of not winning?
292,201,337 out of 292,201,338.
All right, that's if it's just one person. What if it's 2 people? What's the probability of 2 people not winning? If 2 people played?
Well,
so
wouldn't that be
that minus 1, so 292,201,336.
Not quite, actually. Because what makes you think it's going to be 292, 201, 336?
Because there's another outcome that another person picked, and that wasn't right.
Right, but first of all, we don't know if it's different. We just know those 2 outcomes are not equal to the winning.
But
neither of the 2 outcomes is equal to the winning.
wouldn't it just stay the same? Because there's still only one way you can get them, and neither one got it.
Right.
So then wouldn't it just stay the same?
Okay. Let's do it. Let's take a tangent, okay?
Alright.